Okay, 222 students. Let's focus on handout 16.1. Um, the thing with 16.1 is it's missing some information, or some things are implied that you may not know. With 16.1, let's go look at it. All right, handout 16.1. We are actually going to do one, two. We're going to skip 3A, this one, and we're not going to do the bottom one. But we're going to do the slider crank, which has a connecting rod length of 4.1 inches. You guys, if you want to do it in AutoCAD, which is probably just as quick as modeling it up, unless you already have it modeled, just go to AutoCAD. Let's do a line here to represent the surface on which it's going to slide. Um, let's do the crank size. I measured it with my scale, was 0.75. So let's do a line here. We're going to make it, at 60 degrees at 0.75. So we're going to go at 0.75 with an angle of 60. All right, there's our um, crank. And now this one's going to be, we're going to make this one touch this surface, but we need it actually at 4.1. This is our connecting rod. So let's do a L, let me see, let's do it at 4.1 with an angle of 210. Alright, let's bring our surface up to that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put me a connector here. Circle 0.125. That's still too big. Let's do a circle. Enter 0.0625. 0.0625. Alright, I like that one. Let's move this out of the way here. And we'll do a copy here to here to here, and we need one here. Alright, these are our connecting, these are linkages where they connect. And we're going to go to parametrics. I'm going to do a coincidence here to here. Repeat it from here to here, and repeat it from here to here. Alright, and I'm going to move this to here. And now I'm going to do a tangent from here to this surface. And I'm going to go ahead and do a coincidence from here to here. Okay? Alright, after you get done with that, let's go ahead and do a rotate of this linkage. Let's do a rotate RO, enter, rotate this. Base point is going to be right here. Oop, missed something up here. Let's do this to this. It already exists. Do this to this. Alright. Now let's try it. Let's do a rotate this. The center point. Alright. Still don't have something right here. Make sure I've done that correctly. Let's see if I've got a coincidence there. Now let's do a rotate. This bar here from this center point. Alright, it's not moving for some reason along this. Let's do a coincidence. That one already exists. And I assume we have the tangent. Make sure I did this right. Alright, let's try that. Rotate this point. Oh, you know what we gotta do, guys? We have to put a dimension here to here. And that's not even right anyhow. That should be 4.1. Alright, let's make sure we're still good here to here. It should be 3/4. That is good. Alright, let's do a rotate here. Put the center here. Alright, one more thing. We need to put a diameter constraint on this right there. Okay. Rotate here, base point here. There we go. Now, notice that as I reach this point, that is my extreme right, and that is my extreme left. Okay, so I need the distance between here and between here. Okay, back up. Alright, again, I want the stroke, which is the difference between the extreme right and extreme left. And you don't have to do the last one. Without the PDF, you really can't measure. And that's a scanned PDF that you have in there. Well, if you got any questions, this is how to do your bar linkage in AutoCAD in case you don't want to do it in SolidWorks. You can just use your parametrics inside of AutoCAD. Any questions, let me know. This is Handout 16.1.